Here we have a triangular prism and its base is an isosceles triangle. See the tens, that makes the base there, isosceles. And notice that this is 12, so in fact this length is 6, and this is my h, or the height of that triangle. And I know that h squared plus 6 squared equals 10 squared. H squared plus 36 is 100. So h squared is 64, which means h would be 8. So in fact, it's a 6, 8, 10 Pythagorean triple. So now that I know this is 8, I have everything I need to find the surface area. Notice that the rectangles, those are the lateral sides. The rectangles aren't all equal. There are two of them that are 10 by 17, and the bottom one is 12 by 17. And again, there's formulas for those things, but you really don't need a formula, any new formulas. So let's just get it done. Our total area is equal to, there are two triangles. Every triangle is 1/2 its base. The base is from here to here. It's 12 times the height. We just found that. It was 8. Plus, there are 3 rectangles, but they're not all equal. There are 2 of them that are 10 by 17. Plus, the bottom of the thing, what it's sitting on, is a rectangle that is 12 by 17. So let's work all this out. Our total area, these cancel. 9 times 12 is 96. 2 times, I'm going to do it this way, 17 is 34. Times 10 is 340. And 12 times 17 is 204. So we'll add 204, 340, and 96. And we find the total area is 640 feet squared. The volume of a prism is the area of the base. The base is the triangle here. Take the area of the base times the height or altitude of the prism, which is the distance between the two triangles. So we already did all that work up here, right here, except for we're not doing two triangles and we do volume. The area of the base is 1/2 the base times height of the triangle times the altitude of the prism, which is 17. So 1/2 times 12 times 8 times 17 is 816, and that would be feet cubed or cubic feet.